Hi everyone, so excited to share. Today I got this package in my mail and it looks like it's from Google Maps for being a local guide. Let's go ahead and unbox it together. Alright, so with that, let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'm super excited to open it up. I've been local guides for about 5 years here in Arizona. And I recently got the email from Google saying that they would send me some socks, so let's see what's inside. Here are the socks, and then they sent me a card too that says, thanks for updating information on Google Maps, so very excited to have that. Definitely going to keep that for keepsake. And then here are the socks. They're so cute. It has a picture of a cat, and then there's the local guides logo there, and I'm definitely planning on wearing these when I'm taking pictures for Google Maps as well as when I'm taking videos. They're just super adorable, as you can see. I think they're like crew socks. Anyways, they look very cozy. They're nice and thin too, so great material, and can't wait to wear those. Thank you again, Google, for these amazing socks, the cute package, and also this card here. Can't wait to keep on guiding for you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.